Okay, welcome. Today we're going to show you how to log in to WebEx. So this is how you're going to access your data through our website here. First of all, you need to make sure you're opening Internet Explorer, and briefly, Internet Explorer is different than Microsoft Edge, so make sure you're clicking on Internet Explorer, even though they look very similar. So as you open Internet Explorer here, the easiest way to get to the SCADA site is to go to our website. So iOS Tech, search that, and it'll take you to our website, iOS Technologies, so find it in the list there. Once you're on our website, you can see here at the top it has a client login and an Internet Explorer specific. And as long as you're on Internet Explorer, it'll take you to this website. And go ahead and continue on. And we've provided you or your company with a unique username and password. So we're just going to use one of our passwords here. And go ahead and log on. It'll take you to your company's home page, and there'll be a bunch of link outs to the various SCADA and telemetry data that you have. And at this point, to make it easier for you, you can go ahead and save this to your favorites or your favorite bar, and we've already done that. You can see here, so you can bypass going to our website every time and just click on the Clear SCADA Home and log in, and you'll have all the data you want. Until next time, thanks.